Hello everyone, this is El Rodriguez of Let's Talk It Out with El, and konting kaalaman, malaking katulungan. I just have a question for you. If you were given three choices, what would you choose for the new year? A new attitude, a new relationship, or a new car? I mean, let's face it. Of the three choices, the third is more realistic, isn't it? Because all you need to do is call United Victory Autobroker at 626-969-6169 to get you the car of your dreams or the car of your means. They have a wide selection of pre-owned and brand new cars. But wait, there's more. They also have a car rental department. They can assist you in your car maintenance, in your car repairs, and if ever, hopefully not, but if ever you end up in an accident, they can also assist you in filing your insurance claim and finding a lawyer for you. Isn't that awesome? They do a lot for their clients. And they will take good care of you. That's what sets them apart, their personal touch. Because they will take good care of you the rest of the way. And like it or not, the moment you become a client, you will always be a part of the United Victory family. And what does that mean? It means that you will always have United Victory to go to for all your car needs. Who wouldn't want that, right? So what are you waiting for? Call United Victory Autobroker at 626-969-6169 because they service the entire Southern California area. They have offices in Los Angeles, Yucaipa, and Victorville. And when you call them, don't forget to tell them that you found out about them because of Elle's TikTok. So, happy car hunting with United Victory. See you driving on the road. Bye.